Staring at a black screen when you plug your iPhone into your Volvo S60 is frustrating, but it is often a simple software sync issue. Data shows that about 80% of these connection failures are resolved by basic resets rather than hardware repairs. Let us walk through the troubleshooting steps to get your infotainment system back online. Start with a hard reboot of the center display, then verify your cable connection and repair your Bluetooth and CarPlay profile. If the problem persists, check for pending vehicle software updates or an iOS update on your phone. Physical damage to the USB port is a common culprit if only one specific port fails to trigger the system. Most issues are solved at home, but if the port is physically damaged, you will need a professional technician to replace the assembly. Software updates are usually free, while hardware module replacements can be quite expensive. Isolate the issue by testing a different device to see if the problem follows the phone or stays with the car. Keep your ports clean and always use high-quality cables to maintain a stable data connection. If the screen remains black after a factory reset, you likely have a hardware failure that requires a dealer diagnostic tool. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get back on the road with CarPlay, hit that like button and subscribe for more Volvo guides.